Tail lights fade down that gravel road. No goodbye, just dust in the cold. Your boots left prints by the porch stable line. House gone quiet, boy, like a crime. Door swung wide, but you walked on through. Left me standing with nothing to do. Gone without a word, just dust and dreams. Tired of mine, vanished in midnight schemes.
John and me are doing the North Coast 500 for the first time on motorbikes. That's him at the back there. The sun's come back out. It's been a wee bit cloudy going through Glencoe, which is nothing unusual for Glencoe, really.
No last look back, no wave in the wind. Memories choke where the silence begins. Chest, it's bare. Radio on songs I used to share. Screen door creaks, Maggie calls your name, but roads to you leave an endless blame. One breath's gone, world time thin. Your shadow's all that's left within. Gone without a word, just gust and dreams. Child of mine, vanished in midnight schemes. No last look back, no wave in the wind. Memories talk where the silence begins. They gather gray, grade you turn on someday. No sign, just tie dragged scars. This old heart breaks under empty stars. In midnight schemes, no last look back,
First time we come up.
Have we taken the bike out again today?
So,
I'm quite happy just walking, mate.
aye, walk if you want. Yeah, this will do. Yeah, no electric. Got some light switches, but I've nowhere to plug in your hand. A wee bit disappointing. Yeah.
One step, two steps, three, and it's over. 5 into 6 again. 7 steps, 8 steps, 9, and I'm older. Trying to figure out where I fit in. So in this life, hold yourself tight. Everything will work out fine. So hold yourself tight. So hold yourself tight. Don't you try to move too fast. So in this life, hold yourself tight. Everything will work out fine. Just hold yourself tight. You need to. Don't you try to move too fast. Just hold yourself tight. Please do. Everything will work out fine. Hold yourself tight. Yeah.
Okay, we've arrived in Torridon. Get toilets here. And right beside that is the free camping site. The water actually runs warm in the toilets, which is nice. You can have a nice hot shower. There's no charge, but they do rely on donations. So, like I say, is free, but you can just tap your debit card and make a contribution to whatever you feel is appropriate. We'll just have a wee look in the field before we head on, in case anybody's interested. Not allowed any fires, unfortunately. But yeah, room for quite a number of tents. Yeah, not a bad wee spot.
Aye, it's when it's not moving, it's a pain in the butt. As soon as you go above 2 miles an hour, it's fine. That was just, there's a big divot there.
Big divot. Big divot sitting on a bike. Right, we've arrived at the Gairloch, as you can see. Going to find a wee pitch to pitch. 2 bikes, 2 tents, 29 quid. Bargain. Just to do a wee comparison of the Applecross site and this one at the Gairloch. I would have to say the one at the Gairloch is a wee bit more upmarket. For £15 for a tent for the night, it's not bad. Good toilet facilities, showers are free. You've also got a cooking and dining shelter area in here. Well, a wee quick shifty. Oh, hello there.
Hello, thank you.
Yeah, this looks quite comfortable. In the worst case scenario, started to rain. You come in here. Right, you think it's going to rain?
7 o'clock.
Oh dear, I don't want to know about rain. Yeah, we've got kettles in here as well for boiling some hot water and stuff for coffee, which makes a world of difference when you don't have that kind of facility. Anyway, this is the view John and I have got for the night. This is home for this evening. Lovely site. Michelle and I stayed here before, a few years back, when we done the NC500 in the car. We stayed a wee bit further down there at the sand dunes. John wanted a room with a view, and that's what he's got. And this is John's new tent, the Euro Hike 3-man. Quite happy with that, John?
Very.
It looks the part, doesn't it? Easy to put up, eh?
Aye. Quite simple. I'll tell you what I'm annoyed with, mate.
What's that?
Look how thin the pegs are for a kick-off, right? I'm going to have to buy new pegs for it. They've not even given me enough for all the guy ropes.
I'll get 2 spare, I think. You want them?
Aye, you could do, mate. Aye, use them now. Just put extra guy ropes.
This is also a Euro Hike tent that my father-in-law gave me. Thanks, George. Much better than well, no, much better than the one I had, the one I used before. Although the zip had gone, one of the zips had gone in the door. So this is good because all the zips work. This is cosy enough for me, it'll do. So we'll get settled in here and catch up with you later.
Off for a duke.
Tally ho, chap. Tally ho.
Can't you see it's that warm already?
Yeah, it feels a little nippy.
What?
Acclimatise slowly, mate.
Feet are killing me.
Aye. You would be, that's it. Go get the shoes on. You need the shoes, mate.
I don't even think I'm going to go right in, mate.
No?
No, I've just got my boxers wet. And then have to change them.
What hillbilly on the go-nubs?
Want that?
And 3, 2, 1. Oh, lovely. Yeah, that's the way to do it. Huh?
It's not warm.
It's not warm. I would say that. She said it was about 15. It's never 15 in the month of Sundays. I would say it's even about 8 or 9, mate. I don't think it's as much as 12. You got to hang in your bike.
No, I don't know if I'm going to waste more than the bike it's in.
Right, we've had enough of this. The water's a wee bit chilly today. You know, it's nice and refreshing and all that, but it is rather nippy. James Bond. James Bond.
Good morning to you. Gairloch campsite, just a wee roll egg, a couple of cappuccinos, heading off up to Durness. Just shortly, weather's holding out.
Cappuccino.
So proud on your high hill and bent the world to your own will. You prayed for power, prayed for rain to wash away your guilty stain.
Aye, today, that's his office. Yeah, you take every minute of that. I like how they've got the lights.
Aye, the light into the
On it, yeah, they light the place up a bit.
Aye.
What's for the hard hats?
That's him.
Is it? Well, don't tell me the boat's on the day it is. Please, how you doing?
I'm no biker.
How you doing?
How you doing, Harry?
Aye.
Right, inside of the boat, then going into the front, onto the edge. That's it, step down into the front. Right guys, now don't sit in the middle, sit on the outside edge. Right, man. You can get a new nickname, 15%. You get 85% survival rate on this.
5%.
It's good, eh?
That's not sufficient for the number of people.
Very hard at it. Right, guys, my name's Fraser. Once you're inside, I'm going to hand you over to Andrew. If you've got any questions, feel free to ask. Keep your hands in the boat. Don't get your shots down.
It's down.
Oh wow.
How big is the rebate?
So guys, no waterfall today. Durness, it's been very dry in Durness for over a week now. Just 10 days ago, sorry. 10 days ago, there was no tours running. The waterfall was filling this whole wall. The water level was above your helmets in here. So this can change very quickly and very dramatically. Now the waterfall is fed from Loch Meady. That's a large loch. It's about 2 kilometres to the south. You can still find the deadly Scottish area.
Oh.
Don't put your fingers in the water. Very, very dangerous.
You used to have other fish. Somebody did it all. Aye.
Brought them up here and let them go. That's why you don't see so much of the Loch Ness monster these days. Deadly Scottish piranha. Okay guys, heads down. Right guys, when you're getting out the boat, don't step on the side in here, come to the front, step straight over onto the rock, and we'll give you a helping hand.
This is where I put my wellies on. Harris, I'm going to film us on the bike, right? I'm going to film us, so I'll make a video. Right, so when I upload the video onto YouTube, you know what YouTube, if you watch any YouTube, then you'll be able to see yourself going on the bike, right?
A couple of years would be nice to chill out.
So you could do a couple of years?
Oh, I could do a couple of years.
I've never been on YouTube,
it's just a wee bit
and
chilly. I
this
did
will
try it
be my
and
first day going on YouTube.
Yeah, will be. Right, let's get going. John, you want to get Harris on? Right, so let me give a wee minute. Put your left foot on here. No, your other one, your other foot. Yeah, that's it. Make sure his feet are on the pegs, mate, if possible.
Right, the reach, that's you on them there.
Right, what you need to do, Harris, is make sure your feet stay there, right? Is that alright? You can let me know if you want to go faster or slower, right? go. Is that alright for you?
Yeah.
Good lads. Well done.
Enjoy that.
That's a good helmet with a great white in the
Yeah.
back. Well, it's Tuesday, another fine morning. Wee bit damp through the night, but nothing major. Well, there's Fraser arrived to say farewell. Right, plan for the day. Going to leave here once John's packed up. Then we're going to head to Helmsdale via Johnogroats. So that'll be a nice wee drive. Hopefully the rain will stay off for us the majority of the time, but we're Airbnb the night, so nice dry roof over our head, nice hot shower and a shave. Just what the doctor ordered.
To prove your victory was divine. You asked for something real to feel on your throne of blood and steel. Well, the sky went dark, the wind grew strong, the heavens heard you all along. Oh, you wanted thunder, you wanted fire to feed your own corrupt desire. Well, I am the wind, I am the rain, the hurricane of righteous pain. Yeah, the consequence you can't ignore. I am the storm you prayed for.
Yeah. We're here at the Whaligoe Steps with Mr. John Mingus. Now, what's your interpretation of the Whaligoe Steps, Mr. Mingus?
Good to get in.
Well, a good Wednesday morning.
I've got away with that.
Yeah?
I've got away with that.
Get away with it. I know you get away with it.
Pretty much.
No
aye.
scratch on it.
I did put it down very gently, like.
Aye.
I mean, I nearly broke my back putting it down.
Oh, let's get a helmet on in there before these midges attack me anymore. Well, it has to be said, that was a lovely wee night in the Helmsdale Lodge Hostel. Empty's doing the NC500. That's a perfect stop going either way. For a wee overnight. Place is absolutely spotless. Marie, the lady that welcomed us in, was very nice. Anyway, John and I are heading home today. And so you see, it's a wee bit damp. Midges are absolutely rife, so we're just going to get on the way and head off. And hopefully you've enjoyed the wee video. We'll see you next time.